In this video I'm going to show you how to recover deleted Instagram stories, and that's very simple and easy. So let's begin. First you need to open up your Instagram, and once you open it you need to open some stories. I'll select for example that one and then hit on that three dots icon and here select delete option. And to confirm this action, tap delete again. Now that story was deleted, we can check that. You see? And now I will show how to recover this story. For that, tap on these three lines icon at the top right. Then tap on your activity and here select recently deleted. Right here, tap on that, and here let's see deleted stories right here, and here I got that one. I can tap on that and I can tap on three dots icon and restore this story or completely delete that. I'll tap on restore one and then confirm this action. And let's check if it works. Yes, here we got this story was successfully restored.